You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -18. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 5 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 4. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -18.